To the moon, guys. Welcome to another live stream, the first live stream after yesterday's live stream marathon. Yeah, first we looked into the earnings, then we looked into the conference call. It was a long night. I was streaming until 3 a.m. and if you haven't smashed the like button, then make this now. Exactly, you in front of your mobile phone, in front of your TV, in front of your iPad, wherever you are watching, make sure to smash that like button, guys. And let me tell you, what should I tell you? How happy I am, how we were right in the end. You know, Virgin Galactic just made the turn, okay? Just made the turn from minus 20%, guys. From minus 20%, we are now plus 0.64%, guys. This is unbelievable, guys, and this is just the beginning. Now, let us recap what happened yesterday, okay? The earnings presentation, was not so great, all right? There were not many informations, really necessary to have more clarification in some points. And this is what we got in the conference call. The spaceship is ready. Okay. The spaceship is ready. I really like that they, went into all of that special technical details as well with the EMI, the electrical magnetic interference. And then, went in real detail, which I really like, that they, fixed everything. And then they found a new, let's say, challenge that the mothership that is basically carrying the spaceship has maybe, okay, an maintenance thing to do, whatever this will be. They just found out about it last week or the end of last week. And need to push it through, okay? Because they thought, okay, this is part of our maintenance in the fall, but maybe for the next flight, we want to have it fixed, okay? It doesn't sound like a big deal, okay? And I cannot put it back here, guys. I would just put it here. It doesn't sound like a big issue, so I'm quite interested. What will happen. And next week we will know more when we fly. I heard, that I heard like from the tonality, and that's why conference calls are so great. They were pretty confident, okay? They were pretty confident that they will fly Richard Branson. They were very confident that, they are working towards really flying very, very soon. So, just a matter of time. And I think what many people don't understand, because they just bought the stock because they like the stock, they pretty much have a big cash pile, okay? And at the burning rate, which is basically the rate, the millions of dollars that they're burning every single quarter, they can go without having extra cash for the next 2.5 years. What does it mean, guys? This means that they could, work on any other problem for a year. The stock can go down to 5, and then they come out and say, we still have 1.5 years cash in the bank, and the spaceship is ready. Not only that, 3 other spaceships are ready to go. Now we're going into operation, and the stock goes to 100, okay? Just an example, okay? So this company will be worth more in the future. That's just, that's just, I want to say sure, because as I said in today's video, this is a high risk but high reward stock. If you don't like that, no problem. You can invest into Google, you can invest into Amazon, you can invest to, I don't know, other companies, okay? They will give you maybe 10%. But Virgin Galactic might be successful and might be very successful and 10x, maybe 100x your money, maybe 30 times your money, right? That's the whole point of investing in Virgin Galactic right now, all right? Nothing else. And the fundamentals are ridiculously looking good, okay? They cannot go bankrupt, basically. They have 2.5 years of working capital in the bank. So they have time, guys, okay? And rather, think about it, if you would be the CEO and they say, you know what, we can fly, but we risk, maybe an issue and all the world will look at us, or we take a little bit more time and fix that. What you will prefer, Mr. CEO, which is so close to operation? Well, you go the safe road, right? I mean, every intelligent monkey would choose that option, and make sure to make absolutely sure to smash that like button, okay? For the YouTube algorithm. So, so Virgin Galactic here now positive for the day. And guys, let me show you what we went through today, okay? And for that, you need to go on my Instagram account. And if you haven't yet, make sure to follow me there, okay? Wolf of Dubai Danny, very, very easy and great source of further information when I'm not vlogging, when I'm not streaming, when I'm just posting stories. This is the way where you connect with me, okay? You can send me even messages, that's where I really look towards it, okay? So, let's have a look. So what happened? So I woke up, like many of you guys, and saw that, all right? Peloton down 1.7%. Beyond Meat 2.8%. Virgin Galactic 15% down. Tesla 3% down. Tesla was down already 6% yesterday. Virgin Galactic was down 8% yesterday. And then Bitcoin also down 3.6%. And I said, well, what the hell is going on? Okay, and we will talk about the market in a second. But this is what's currently going on, all right? Then, okay, the day goes by, right? I post another meme like I'm usually doing, and I love this one, okay? Just saying, Virgin Galactic really needs to pull their shit together and nail this test flight, saying, most of us looking like that at home, right? Just not even hobby, not even hobby rocket scientists, and giving the statements out for everyone out there. Anyway, then I posted something which I really think it's important for many new investors that text me because they are in panic. Know your thing, okay? If you invest in something just because the stock made some moves up and down and you are pretty unaware what potential their team, product, market, or balance sheet has, then yes, I understand you are scared during these times. That's like skydiving without knowing that you need the parachute. Now, then I went into my portfolio and said, okay, I want to show people why I invest into these companies and why I'm thinking these companies are great in one sentence, okay? So here are, for example, Tesla growing 50% every year, and in good times, bad times, and the CEO relanding rockets, okay? What other CEOs are doing, all right? They're just getting a big paycheck and going home, right? This guy is ridiculous. Elon Musk is fantastic. And to be, even when you don't like Tesla, the brand, the car, whatever, you can bet on Elon Musk, all right? Then space. Look at the balance sheet. I mean, no debt and over 600, I think it's 660 even $1 million in the bank. We can wait 2.5 years for the next test flight if we want to. So if you are crying about yesterday that, we need to wait a week, well, we have a couple of those, 2.5 years times 52 weeks is a lot of weeks that we can wait, okay? Potentially, which we will not, because the team is eager to, fly, and they want to prove themselves as well as, they are engineers in the end. Then we talked about, or I talked about Beyond Meat. I mean, if you just eat this, it tastes like meat, okay? It's much better than meat because, you have, you do something for the environment. It needs more water as well. It's, it will be cheaper than meat in the long run, okay? So this is what really counts. And then Peter, and obviously digital fitness, tremendous customer data. I mean, the people are really engaged with the product, massive demands. The people are willingly to wait months and months for their product. And that's just a great, problem or issue to have for a company, right? So then I said, this is also cool advantage for a long-term investor. The day is yours to gather knowledge how your money can make more money. This is, obviously emphasized for that, if you can read books rather than going to work because your money make your money. This is only possible when you're a long-term investor, okay? Short-term investor, you will look for the rich, quick theme, which, make you rather broke than rich, right? So Eid Mubarak for all those friends that are really, really making Ramadan a pleasure. So I really, really make sure that those people are, having a great end of Ramadan. So to all Muslims out there, Eid Mubarak. Then I shared one message or back and forth with one user because it was quite funny, So he replied to me, space is at $14, bro. I said, I know. Worried? No. I said, no, because I'm not worried, okay? So easy and simple, straightforward. Would you buy? Yes. And guess what happened? Guess what happened with Virgin Galactic? We closed, because the market just closed, at $18, okay? So I hope, I don't remember who it was, but one of my viewers here, I hope you bought at 14. You can make really great money today, okay? Then, this is just where I live or the hotel next to it because I have to go through it sometimes. It's the Versace hotel, that's why you see the Medusa on the floor. Then this also was a great one. Another user or subscriber sent me this. He wrote, everyone is panicking. I'm working overtime this month to get more money to buy the dip. I hope it stays low for ages. This is exactly the mindset that someone has to put down, okay? Work your ass off, put the money and buy the freaking dip because at some point it will be already too late. You will be too late for space. You will be too late, and now it's the time when everybody is panicking, you buying, okay? It's not like when everything is at 60 and 50, you buy, okay? Some people bought and now have the chance because they was thinking, oh, I missed 40, oh, I missed 30. Now we going back to those levels and they say, oh no, it's over. Tell me what is freaking over. You know what's over? If you don't buy the dip. And guys, this is never financial advice, okay? This is not financial advice. This is only what I'm doing, okay? This is like a documentation what I'm doing, yeah? Then there's small, let me just play that so you will know the context, but I need to put my audio in and actually put in sound for you guys. Many of you have asked, and I finally will deliver, okay? More content every single Monday from now on. There will be a huge weekly vlog and fully transparency. I mean, what does it mean to be an investor? What does it mean to be a YouTuber? The good things, the bad things. And I cannot wait. And obviously in your usual Netflix, Amazon Prime style quality. And yeah, I can't wait. Okay, so just to clarify that, I'm working because I was thinking that everything that I'm doing right now is quite singular, right? Like you see me always here in my studio and you see me like, you know, at home and talking to you guys. But I felt like, and I feel that, you know, it's interesting what happens behind the scenes, how I'm feeling when I'm investing, you know, and I'm a full-time investor. Okay, this is my, you know, my wealth. You know, I'm playing every day with my wealth, investing my wealth. And on the other side, I consider myself also a YouTuber because I'm doing this every single day and it's just freaking fun. So I will start a weekly vlog where, you know, I will go around Dubai. I will show you what I'm doing in my life. I will show you the good things. I will show you the bad things. And yeah, this was just a small teaser that to all of those that are following me on Instagram already. It will be fun, guys. It will be like, you know, half an hour, 45 minutes. You know, I'm taking you through Dubai, what I'm doing for my mind, for my body, for, you know, my knowledge, for how to invest, and so on. Everything like uncensored, unfiltered. It will be super, super nice. The first weekly vlog will come out on 23rd of May. Yeah. So it will be quite interesting. So stay tuned, guys. Make sure to subscribe. And let's go further what I wrote here on Instagram. So and then I, you know, just this happened. Basically, 30. I think someone in the comments wrote it right now. In the chat wrote somebody 25% intraday. Okay, if this don't show you the demand for space, I don't know what is. All right, so. Just saying, guys, okay, apparently this company is making something right. Yeah, and another, you know, little bit of bragging here with the monkey. And and there was obviously also Michael Sheets. If you don't follow him, he is like a CNBC correspondent or reporter covering the space industry. So make sure to follow him on Twitter as well, and follow me on Twitter. Here's the Twitter Wolf Investing, you know, he wrote Virgin Galactic space shares turned positive, just breaking above yesterday close of 1795 and recovering from as much as 20% down earlier today. And I wrote the reason that space will be much more worth in the future. No debt and 2.5 years of cash in the bank. They have time. All right. It's basically, no, if you consider the whole world, there's just 3 companies that are capable of what Virgin Galactic is offering. Okay. SpaceX, they are capable, not doing it right now. Blue Origin, still in the, let's say, test phase, like us, and we, okay, so close to commercialization. So, you know, this is a big moat, guys. Okay, this is a very big moat. Then we have Blue Origin, was 4 years earlier founded by Jeff Bezos in 2000. Virgin Galactic was founded 2004. And basically, I think that, you know, and I think Virgin Galactic all in all spent like $1 billion. And Blue Origin, by now, they spend $1 billion per year. That's why Jeff Bezos is selling all his shares in Amazon, okay? And put it into this business. And finally, you know, they have a pretty cool team and brand, all right? That's you know, that's worth a lot, okay? Yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, you know, let's celebrate. Even after hours, we go further up. This could be we could have seen now the bottom. I believe strongly when, and this is if you see the resistance that we are actually, you know, bounced off. And not only now we bounce off this resistance, but if we go back in time, okay, this resistance, I think it's here, you know, it's pretty strong, all right? Here you can see as well, you know, here. So it's something that, you know, could be the bottom, okay? We have seen now a lot of pain, but if the overall market is a little bit, you know, happier, which is not right now currently, you know, all the tech companies are really, really suffering. Tesla also today 1.88% down. I think that it's really could be the bottom, honestly speaking. If you consider, if the market gets better for tech stocks, just a little bit, just a week until we have the announcement, then we have the announcement that we are flying, let's say this May or beginning of June, and they give us a hard date, I think this could be the road to a $25 space, okay? So I'm super excited. The only thing that I wish to know, can do is put more money into that. But I need to wait, you know, obviously my monthly input, you know, and then I can, you know. And yeah, can't wait. Really appreciate that, you know, there's a lot of people that don't understand, which, you know, I'm not here, you know, to waste your time and my time to convince you of something. I just believe this is a great company. All right, with a huge potential, with a huge risk, obviously, yes, because, you know, you don't get risk-free for such a huge reward possible, right? This is things that, you know, work together. High risk, you know, high reward. Low risk, low reward. High risk, you know, you get the point, yeah? And yeah, you know, I love it. I always play the hardball. But I love it, you know. I like the stock, how Redu would say. Last few words regarding the market. The market is pretty bad right now because the inflation data comes, the employment data comes, and everything looks like the Fed cannot continue with this unbelievable spending of money and purchasing of assets and so on. So the fear of the market is, if this dries a little bit up, is a small sign that the market will be not that liquid anymore, and, you know, that is not a great sign and to be a place in for a market, okay? Lower liquidity is always bad for markets. So it will be quite interesting over the next days, all right? There will be the market versus tech stocks, tech stocks versus the market. And in the middle somewhere, space, okay? Trying to find ways to grow from these levels. Well, with that said, let me know what you think in the comments. You know, I love you guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. Yesterday was amazing. We had so many viewers. I think at some point 1,000 people in the live chat. Make sure to smash the like button, guys, and make sure to follow me on Instagram, as you have seen lots of value there. Wolf of Dubai Danny, and I see you obviously tomorrow. Okay, take care and sleep well.